Good morning, students. Today we shall revise chapter 9 of geography textbook, Life in the Deserts. Students, first of all, we shall discuss what is the meaning of desert. Can anyone tell me about this? Deserts. It is an arid region characterized by extremely high or low temperatures and has scarce vegetation. टेम्परेचर या तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई होता है या लो रहता है और वेजिटेशन जो है वो बहुत ही रेयर होता है वहाँ पर. सो जस्ट इमेजिन अबाउट द सर्वाइवल कंडीशंस, लाइविंग कंडीशंस इन डेजर्ट्स, कि लोग वहाँ पे कैसे रहते होंगे. वेयर देयर इज़ नो वाटर टू ड्रिंक, where there is no grass for the cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. These places are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot desert or cold desert. We had discussed in this chapter two main deserts, the hot desert Sahara and the cold desert Ladakh. Our first part is the hot desert Sahara. It is the world's largest desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometers. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara. This map relates to Sahara Desert in Africa continent, and we may observe 11 countries which covered Sahara deserts. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. When we think about the desert, the only one picture comes to our mind about only sand. Climate in Sahara. The climate of Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry, and it has a short rainy season. Sky is cloudless and clear, and days are unbelievably hot. And if we talk about temperature, day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius and 0 degree at night. Nights may be freezing cold with temperature nearing 0 degree. Flora and fauna. Vegetation in the Sahara Desert include cactus, date palms, and acacia. In some places there are oases or green islands with date palms surrounding them. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living there. We may see in this picture oasis and fertile land. एक फर्टाइल लैंड जो होता है वहाँ पे, जहाँ पे ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं मिल सकती हैं. ग्रीन आइलैंड्स जो हो सकता है यहाँ पे, एंड डेट पाम्स जो हैं, बड़े बड़े पेड़ जो होते हैं खजूर के, तो ये काफ़ी सारे यहाँ पे मिलते हैं आपको. यस. पीपल ऑफ सहारा, Badaus and Turgis. These are the two main communities which we may found in this region. These groups are nomadic tribes rearing livestock such as goats, sheep, camels, and horses. And these animals provide them with milk, hides from which they made leather for belts, slippers, water bottles. Hair is used for mats, carpets, clothes, and blankets. Heavy robes as protection against dust, storms, and hot winds. तो ये लोग क्या पहनते हैं? एक हॉट विंड से अपने आप को सेव करने के लिए, प्रोटेक्शन करने के लिए ये लोग एक तरह रोब्स पहनते हैं जो इनकी प्रोटेक्शन करता है स्टॉर्म से एंड हॉट विंड से। Discovery of oil, a product in great demand throughout the world. In Algeria, Libya and Egypt is constantly transforming the Sahara Desert. तो सहारा डेजर्ट की लोकेशन जो है थोड़ी सी बदल गई है अब। द कल्चरल लैंडस्केप ऑफ द सहारा इज अंडरगोइंग चेंज। ग्लीमिंग ग्लास केस्ड ऑफिसेज, बिल्डिंग्स टावर ओवर द मोस्क एंड सुपर हाईवेज क्रिस क्रॉस द एंशिएंट कैमल पाथ्स। काफ़ी सारा चेंजिंग आया है यहाँ पे। पहले कैमल्स होते थे मेनली डेजर्ट्स के अंदर, बट अब वहाँ पे रोड्स, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है कंस्ट्रक्ट हो रही हैं। And more nomadic herdsmen are taking to city life, finding jobs in oil and gas operations. काफ़ी सारे लोग सिटीज़ की तरफ मूव कर रहे हैं जॉब्स अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को लेकर के। नेक्स्ट इज द कोल्ड डेजर्ट, लद्दाख in India. Ladakh is a cold desert lying in the Great Himalayas on the eastern side of the Jammu Kashmir. The Karakoram range in the north and Zanskar mountains is in the south enclose it. We may see in this map Jammu Kashmir region and Union Territory of Ladakh. In this map we may found Ladakh range and main pass in this area, Zojila Pass. Indus is the important river in this region, in this desert. Indus being the most important river in this area, the rivers from deep valleys and gorge. Several glaciers are found in Ladakh. For example, the Gangri Glacier. काफ़ी सारे ग्लेशियर्स भी हैं यहाँ पे। गांगरी ग्लेशियर जो है वो यहाँ पे मेन है। The altitude in Ladakh varies from about 3,000 meter in Kargil to more than 8,000 in Karakoram. The day temperature in summer are just above 0 degree and the night temperature well below minus 30 degree. It is freezing cold in the winters when the temperature may remain below minus 40 degree for most of the time. It lies in the rain shadow of the Himalayas. There is little rainfall, as low as 10 centimeter every year. Now, discuss about flora and fauna. Due to high aridity, the vegetation is sparse. There are scanty patches of grasses and shrubs for animals to graze, and groups of willows and poplars are seen in the valleys. During the summers, fruit trees such as apples, apricots, and walnuts bloom. Several species of birds are sighted in Ladakh. Robins, redstarts, Tibetan snowcock, raven, and hoopoe are common. And animals of Ladakh are wild goats, wild sheep, yak, and special kinds of dogs. The animals are reared to provide for the milk, meat, and hides. And the main animal, yak. Yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. And the hair of sheep and goat is used to make woolens. वुलन्स बनाने में यूज़ होता है इसका, और यॉक का जो मिल्क है वो मेनली यूज़ होता है चीज़ और बटर को लेकर के। दिस डेजर्ट लद्दाख इज ऑल्सो नोन एज खापा चा, विच मीन्स ए स्नोई लैंड, स्नो लैंड। एंड वट वॉज द मीनिंग ऑफ लद्दाख? वट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ लद्दाख? It has made up of two words, La and Dak. La means mountain pass and Dak means country. And Dras is one of the coldest inhabited places on earth located in this region, in this desert, लद्दाख रीजन में है वो भी, द्रास सेक्टर जिसे कहा जाता है। मिलिट्री कैंप्स भी हैं यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे। पीपल ऑफ लद्दाख, Ladakh and the inhabitants of Tibet and Central Asia. There is some resemblance between the peoples of Ladakh and the inhabitants of Tibet and Central Asia. The people here are either Muslim or Buddhist. दोनों ही जगह पे क्या है, बुद्धिस्ट हैं या मुस्लिम्स हैं। In fact, several Buddhist monasteries dot the Ladakhi landscape with their traditional compass. जो काफ़ी सारे इनके मठ वगैरह बने हुए हैं यहाँ पे, जो इनके रिलीजियस प्लेसेस होते हैं, जो जैसे टेम्पल्स वगैरह होते हैं, वैसे ही ये लोग अपने मठ बनाते हैं। सम फेमस मोनास्ट्रीज आर हेमिस, थिक्से, शे एंड लुमायोरू। इन द समर सीजन द पीपल आर बिजी कल्टिवेटिंग बार्ले, पोटैटोज, beans, peas and turnip. The climate in the winter month is so harsh that people can keep themselves engaged in festivities and ceremonies. Many of the tourists visit to Ladakh for natural beauty, to observe natural beauty and participate in their festivities. काफ़ी सारे लोग यहाँ पे विजिट करते हैं, टूरिस्ट प्लेस है एक। The women are very hard working. They work not only in the house and the fields but also manage small businesses and shops. The capital of Ladakh is well connected both by road and air. Leh is the capital of Ladakh and it's connected by both road and air. The National Highway 1A connects Leh to Kashmir Valley through the Zojila Pass, which is the main important pass in this region, जो इन दोनों सिटीज़ को जो है कनेक्ट करता है। दिस पिक्चर रिलेट्स टू मोनेस्ट्री, जो बुद्धिस्ट की जो मोनेस्ट्रीज बनी हुई हैं यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारी, इस तरह के और भी प्लेसेस हैं यहाँ पर। Tourism is a major activity with several tourists streaming in from within India and abroad. Visit to the Gum Pass, treks to see the meadows, जो वहाँ पे घास के मैदान वगैरह हैं काफ़ी सारे, ग्लेशियर्स हैं, witnessing ceremonies and festivities are important activities, जो लोग यहाँ पर आते हैं इन व्यूज़ को देखने के लिए, इन व्यूज़ के लिए। Life of people is undergoing change, but due to modernization. But the people of Ladakh have over the centuries learned to live in the balance and harmony with nature. But यहाँ पे लोग क्या है, यहाँ पे लोग अपने आप को सेटल किए हुए हैं, and due to scarcity of resources like water and fuel, they are used with reverence and care, and nothing is discarded or wasted in this region. In this desert, केयरफुली वो लोग इनको यूज़ कर रहे हैं इन सब चीज़ों को। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, रिवाइज दिस चैप्टर एंड रिवाइज एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड वर्कशीट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर। थैंक यू।